Hello friends, September 23rd at 10:30 a.m. Foundation of Data Protection Professionals is organizing a webinar on the theme Getting Ready for the New Era of Data Protection. It's a short webinar up to 12:30 with a focus on SMEs and MSMEs, particularly in the manufacturing sector, trying to discuss the impact of the proposed Personal Data Protection Act in India and how it is likely to affect them. The webinar will be inaugurated by our Honorable Member of Parliament, Shri Tejasvi Surya. It will be followed by a keynote address from me. I am Vijay Shankar, Chairman of Foundation of Data Protection Professionals in India. Afterwards, industry specialists will get together for a panel discussion and discuss various elements of this personal data protection regulation as it is being planned, and will also be able to answer queries from the audience. That is the program which we have set for this 23rd September. Now I will request some of our panel members who are here to briefly introduce themselves for the information of all of you. Thank you. Mr. Rajesh, you can go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Thanks very much for the opportunity here. So I'm Rajesh Kumar. I'm a part of a Infosys Data Privacy Office where I work as a group manager. I'm basically a lawyer with an information security background, and I've been in the area of legal as well as privacy for 19 plus years. My roles and responsibilities cover regulatory overseeing of privacy regulation laws and implementing them within the organization, which caters across different locations. I'm also an FIP certified by International Association of Privacy Professionals, and I've been with FDPPI for the past 2 years from the year of its inception. Looking forward for much more information shared. Thank you.
Mr. Shanai.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Vijendra Shanai. I have over 3 decades of experience in IT and have gained domain expertise in telecom, insurance, transportation, power generation, industry vertical. Was associated with global companies and Indian conglomerates. Had a great opportunity to work in multiple geos and worked as VP, CIO, CTO, and also CISO functions. Highly passionate to contribute to the data privacy and data security areas, which is one of the fastest emerging trends in the world. So as in India, I've been associated with the FDPPI for about 8 months now. And currently I'm working as an advisor to the US-based healthcare company. Very passionate about data privacy and privacy data protection bill that I'm going to looking forward, and exciting to have a panel discussion. And I thank FDPPI and Mr. Navi.
Thank you. Venkat.
Thank you, Navi sir. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to be here. Hello, everyone. I'm Venkata Satish Guttula. I'm head of security in Rediff.com. I just finished my 20 years in information technology, and I'll be finishing 15 years working in Rediff.com. So I'm a certified data protection professional from FDPPI, and also have a CDPSC certification from ISACA. And as I said, I'm working with the core Rediff team for last 14 years, and I'm playing a crucial role in practicing and implementing information security, privacy, risk analysis in Rediff.com. So I won many awards, CISO Platform Top 100 and others. And I'm also a member of the academic board for Wellington's e-business PGDM course. Thank you, sir. Thank you for.
Thank you. Two of our other panel members are not here today. Mr. Satish Kumar Dubashi, who is the CISO of WIBMO. He is also the chapter president of ISACA in Bangalore. Also, another speaker would be Srikanth of TVS, who is a CISO. We would like to have these panel members from different industries to be able to share their different perspectives, either as CISOs or legal professionals, and all of them having specific experience in the area of data protection. We hope the audience would be benefiting by sharing of the experience of all these eminent persons. Thank you, and looking forward to meeting you all on 23rd September 2020. Those of you who register on the FDBPI website will be getting the link for the particular program through an email. So please do register yourself. This program is also supported by several other organizations like SeaChange, which is an organization which works with a number of SMEs across the country. CASIA, which is the Small Scale Industries Association of Government of Karnataka. Then BSpin, which is a well-known organization representing several technology professionals. So we presume that professionals from different areas will be present during the seminar to not only share the thoughts from the speakers, but also contribute to the larger discussions. Thank you, and see you on 23rd.